everyone. I hope that you're doing well. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Like many of you, I am also in confinement or quarantine, depending on what you call it, wherever you're at. And as a result, one of the things that happens is because I'm indoors all the time, I end up taking these 15 to 30 minute nature breaks throughout the day. I usually take about 4 or 5 of them. And I've noticed that while I'm out there, I notice that there's times where I get this spurt of creativity. It's been raining the last couple of days here in California, and being out and taking these nature breaks, even in the rain, it's felt amazing. I love trees. I love the wind blowing in my face. It's been very therapeutic for me. And one of the things that I've noticed is anytime that I have any type of sentiment or any type of series of emotions that I cannot put into words, I usually put it into some type of creative project, whether it's music, a song, poetry, whether it's video or photographs. I put it into something creative. And so what I'm going to be sharing with you today is just that. All of the B-roll, all of the video, all of the pictures that you're going to see were shot handheld with the Fuji XE3 and the 7artisans 25mm 1.8. Whenever I do these creative projects, I find it extremely liberating to keep things simple. The 7artisans 25mm 1.8 lens is a lens that I don't think was designed for the type of photography that I'm going to be sharing with you. It's also a lens that you could get brand new for $70, and you could probably find one for $50. The version that I have for my Sony, I got for $50. It wouldn't focus to infinity, but I've already recorded and edited a video, which I'll be posting within the next week, on how you can fix that very, very easily. Much easier than the link that 7artisans sent me to look at. And I'll be sharing that within the next week. I'm also going to be sharing my opinions on this lens. But yeah, with all of that being said, I'm going to go ahead and play today's segment. I hope that it resonates with you in some shape, way, or form, even if you can't put words to it. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Here are my Instagram accounts, my Facebook page, and my website. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy.